Integrating barcode scanners with SoundCheck allows you to quickly input serial numbers, lot numbers, and other device and test information. Let me show you a quick demo. Let's plug my USB barcode scanner into my computer. It's plug and play. And once it is connected, it is ready to use. Instead of typing in the serial number, I can now use my barcode reader to capture the serial number on my device. It can also be used in a test sequence. Here I have a sequence that stores the metadata, serial number, lot number, firmware version, and test stand location. When I run the sequence, it prompts me for my device barcode, which is the serial number, lot number, then the chip barcode, which is the firmware version, and test stand location. Next, the test runs. Here we are measuring the frequency response, impedance, and THD. Now let's check the metadata. When I open the memory list, you can see the serial number, lot number, firmware version, and test stand location that we captured using the barcode scanner.